Years of expertise, refined planning and well-designed use of space has gone into this masterpiece. Live the coastal lifestyle at its finest in this custom-built home just minutes to the oceanfront and Rudee Inlet. Incomparable to other new construction, featuring spacious open floorplan, floor-to-ceiling windows, Lux Kitchen west/huge center island, quartz tops, distinctive cabinetry and GE Caf Appliances. Dramatic living and dining rooms west/wide planked wood floors, specialty lighting and plumbing fixtures. Grand master suite west/oversized closet and elegant bath featuring freestanding tub and tiled shower. Bonus flex room west/adjacent bed and bath on third floor. The connectivity to the outdoor living space is unparalleled via 16 feet sliding glass door to covered lanai and yard west/synthetic grass and deluxe detached outbuilding west/roll-up door. Ample parking and storage west/2-car garage. Finished west.